Good morning, everyone. Good morning. It is Tuesday, and I'm on my way to work. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? I know I'm always in my head, y'all. I'm sorry. So, it is Tuesday, 8 a.m. Drop both my babies off at work, and I am on my way to get some groceries for my client. And I'm gonna get me some stuff for Taco Tuesday. While I'm shopping for her, I'm gonna shop for me. So we can have tacos. They already took some chicken breast out. So that's one thing. I took some chicken breast out. I took out, well, that's all I took out. But I gotta get everything. I have lettuce, I have onions, I don't have cheese, sour cream, or the ground beef. And I want some shells so I can, some like soft shells so I can do chalupas or some chalupa bread or whatever I can get. Hey y'all, hey. Listen. I am off from work, honey. The interview didn't happen. I need to really control my temper and my ability to stay calm. Like, I really need to, because I done got older and I done got worse at it. Like, you would think, because I used to fly off the handle, go off on people, co-workers, managers. Like, now any bad thing happen, I'm just like, oh my God. Oh my God. I need to control my emotions, child. Because, honey, I don't want nobody pulling that emotion out of me that make me lose my... Listen, I don't want nobody to have that ability. But I'm going to pray on it. I'm going to pray on it because today was a mess. I damn near lost it. Over a day. Listen, God going to take care of me. He going to take care of me. He going to make me stop acting a nut. Alright guys, I'm back at home. I got all my ingredients for my tacos, ground beef. I'm cutting up the chicken. I have a taco kit right here, plus soft shells, extra seasonings, and sauce. Right, y'all, I am ready to start cooking. Ground beef over here, chicken on the other side. Avocado oil over here for the for the week. not, sir. Crunchy and crunchy and crunchy and crunchy. Ground beef. Yes. Nice fresh lettuce. We got sour cream. Oop. All right, y'all. Ground beef, chicken, cheese, onions, lettuce, peppers, garlic, and sour cream, and sauce. And I am loving how it's looking. I got a glass of pineapple juice, plenty of chicken, plenty of ground beef left over. And yeah, we're about to have dinner, y'all.